This is an important announcement for Grade 3 stenographer candidates. Dear candidate, as per SSC notification, has declared the schedule for the skill test to be held on April 2024. Here is the notification. The Staff Selection Commission SSC has declared the schedule for the skill test of the department examination slate for April 2024. The announcement includes the following details: Grade C Stenographer Limited Departmental Competitive Examination 2018 to 2019, and the skill test date 23rd April 2024. Grade C Stenographer Limited Departmental Competitive Examination 2020 to 2022. Skill Test date 24th April 2024. This means for the candidates who apply for the post of Grade C Stenographer on the year 2018 to 2019 and 2020 to 2022. And here the schedule for the examination. Number 1, Grade C Stenographer Limited Departmental Competitive Examination 2018 to 2019. So here our phase skill test, a schedule of examination 23rd April 2024. And number 2, Grade C Stenographer Limited Departmental Competitive Examination 2020 to 2022. And the tier of phase, it is the skill test. On the schedule of the examination, it is 24th April 2024. And the candidates are urged to stay updated by visiting the Commission's official website regularly for any further developments. This notification serves as a crucial reminder for all concerned candidates to prepare themselves for the upcoming skill test as per the provided schedule.